Whether in a doctor's office, hospital, or retirement home, and whatever the medical field involved, you are always on the safe side with our Skai artificial leather materials, including when it comes to cleaning and disinfecting them. It is important to begin cleaning right away before the stain dries in. The best way is to use warm, gentle soapy water and a soft microfiber or cotton cloth. If dealing with heavier stains, you can also use a soft brush. Your padded surfaces will look as good as new for a long time to come if cleaned regularly and carefully. The artificial leather surfaces can also be easily disinfected using conventional disinfectants. Please refer to our website for a list of recommended agents. This results in seating that is both comfortable and safe, stopping viruses and bacteria in their tracks. Do you want to find out more? We look forward to hearing from you.